Hello everyone, Mike Arnold's here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. So, bigger picture, we're just starting on the daily chart with Bitcoin because we're still caught in this range. So it dipped down today, but then it looks like it's going to close back above this 99,083, 9,100 level. Tried to get above this 92.38. Running up to close to the top of the rotation zone, rotating down strongly, but still caught in this range. You can see all the wicks down here, buyers stepping in. We popping above here for a while, sellers stepping in. So we still have major resistance at this prior support shelf becoming resistance. So about 92, anywhere between 92.38 and about 92.65 is major resistance. So I pay attention to that on any rally. Till we get a major close above there, that's going to remain as resistance and support. Anytime we really dip below this 9,000 level, then that's the new major area. I'm going to mark that off on the daily right there. So you can see that's the major level, and the minor level is this 9,100, 9,083 to 9,100. Other than that, we're still in consolidation and or congestion, whatever you want to call it. Ethereum daily, just dipping down, buyers stepping in. So let's see, really watch today where it closes. Above 227.70 is more bullish because it means it won't have violated this support shelf. Below that, it's stepping in anywhere below this 50 right now. 224, that's the level we'll be watching. Again, nothing to report as long as these keep remaining in consolidation on any rallies above certain levels. The sellers come in, any dips below certain levels, the buyers come in. That's all you really need to know right now. Just identify those key levels. And on Ethereum, you can go all the way down to that 224 if you want to be more conservative, is about 225. So we have for you on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Talk to everyone later. Bye for now.